So Aiden, look at mommy. Yeah, we're going to start videotaping what it's like to live with autism every day and how hard it is for you and how it affects our family. So everyone can see, because we need to bring national attention to this. We need to do something now. Now needs to be done, not later. So it's 6 a.m. the day after Thanksgiving, and we are in the basement. I've started laundry, and my Aiden is chilling. And as you can see, he cannot sit still. He has severe sensory integration disorder. He can't feel where his body is in space, and this is why he's constantly moving all the time. That's his Chewy toy that he likes to have. Watching some Phineas and Ferb. Hi, Boo. Look at that beautiful boy. Look at that beautiful boy. Yes, you're so beautiful. I know. Mama knows. This is what we pretty much do all day. Can't sit still. Can't imagine what it's like to live in his mind. And we run back and forth.